Thank you for taking time to watch. I'm Doug. This is Doug's Open Road Classics. So today I'm at the Wheels at the Warren car show, which is absolutely amazing. They've got some incredible machines here. I'm lucky enough to have stopped and spoken to Peter, the owner of this very, very, very rare car. I'll let Peter give you a brief rundown about the car, if you don't mind. So if you could tell us what it is, how long you've had it maybe, and just the rarity of it, because it is an incredible machine. Thank you, Peter.
Right, the car's a Ventora. It's a VIP model. There's only 250 of them made.
Right.
There's only 2 left with the DVLA registered.
Yeah. Wow.
And it's a 3.3 6-cylinder.
Yeah, it's an amazing machine. It's automatic.
It's automatic. They was all automatic.
Yeah.
Only come as automatic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, I was talking to Peter when I saw the car because I was drawn to it. So you were saying it's 53 years old.
53 years old.
How many miles has it done?
53,000.
53,000. Yeah, that's great. And also, since owning the car, you were saying that you've had the engine rebuilt.
Engines have been overhauled.
So, yeah, overhauled.
Yeah.
And what's your intention with it now?
Just go to car shows and use it.
Use it.
Yeah.
I've spoken to a few people at the show today that have mentioned your car.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for that, Peter.
All
I really
right.
appreciate you for that. Thank you. So I'm going to do a walk around video of this super rare car now. To be fair, the video is not really going to do it justice because it is so lovely. Thank you for watching. So someone else has just come up to look at the car now because it is so rare. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you could share the channel with anyone that you think might be vaguely interested, that would be really, really good. Keep safe, happy motoring, and hopefully see you soon. Thank you.